Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a productive morning routine, or better said, how I try to have a productive morning. Many of you guys have been asking for my morning routine, so I figured why not film this at the beginning of the month and show you guys the steps that I do to have the most productive day or the most productive month. But first things first, coffee. So I wanted to make this morning routine as realistic as possible, and I have an avocado toast every single morning with black coffee. Then I go and sit down on my couch, watch a little bit of Netflix, maybe an episode of something, and then that's when I actually start my day. So on this specific day, I had a list of things that needed to get done, which were laundry, plan for the month, organize and clean the apartment, and pack for a weekend trip. So I'm first going to start by dividing my clothes and getting my laundry ready to do it later. Then I went ahead onto making my bed. I actually love making my bed first thing in the morning. I feel like it helps me go about my day with a clear mind, and it's definitely pro tip number one to having a productive morning. I feel like there's no better feeling than getting back home to a made bed because it automatically sets a positive mindset. Now I'm just going to organize my work area, my desk, which is always a mess low-key. So I'm just going to start getting rid of papers that I don't need and pick up a little bit. So I actually filmed this video at the beginning of the month in hopes of uploading it sooner for you guys and show you how I plan each month. So let me know in the comments below if you want me to make a totally separate video on this, a little bit more in depth on how I decorate and organize and plan my month. I feel like having a dry eraser calendar has helped me a lot on staying more productive and organized throughout the month, and I highly recommend for everyone to get one. I'm going to be linking mine down below for you guys if you are interested. I also love having a planner and this 7 days a week sheet where I list all my to-do lists for each specific day, and I feel like it also helps me stay on top of things a lot more. Honestly, you guys, this dry eraser calendar gives me so much peace because I feel like I could be creative and just have a little bit of free time while I'm doing so as well, or fun time. So again, let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to make a dedicated video on how I plan my month. Then I went ahead and watered all my plants since I'll be going away for the weekend. I feel like it's important to have a set schedule for your plants, especially if you have house plants. I personally water them each Friday, and that way it helps me stay on top of watering them correctly and not overwater. Alright, so I actually went downstairs and put my laundry in, but I honestly don't like the way that it looks, so I just didn't show it to you guys. And as I wait, I'm just painting my nails. 40 minutes or so later, I finished doing my laundry. Now I'm just going to fold them and put it away. so I quickly got ready to leave in a little bit, but last thing on my to-do list today is pack. I'm just going to get my little carry-on and packing cube. I love packing cubes. You guys already know. I have a few pack with me videos, which I'll be listing down below for you guys. But right now I'm just packing away for the weekend. Alright you guys, so I just finished getting ready. I ended up packing and I actually feel like I did almost everything on my to-do list, which makes me feel quite productive. I hope you guys enjoyed my morning routine slash how I get productive at the beginning of the month. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see how I plan my month on my calendar, and I will totally make that for you guys. But thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye!